Laughter and excitement filled the event center of SM City Cebu on Sunday, July 28, during the comeback of Proud Bisaya Fest, which showcased the talents of content creators and artists from the Visayas and Mindanao. The performers included singer-songwriter Dato Alimuan, rising star artist and LDR singer Shoti, Balamban Cebu-based dance crew Def Fam, Tawag ng Tanghalan contenders Claril Damangkas and Veronica Hanyola, Vispop band O Caraga, Dear MOR Visayas DJ Jackie G, and other social media content creators such as Joseph Ongart Sabello, Ruel Divina, Sam Ancheta, Maria Eunisa, Jayet Gaming, and Melvir Febra. The event was highlighted by dance and song performances, as well as games and interactive sessions with audience members. Singer Dato Alimuan, who hails from Bukidnon, Mindanao, brought his culture with him as he performed his hit song, Idana, with a traditional instrument called a kudlong.
Sa tinuod lang, ang katong play na ko ganina is moto ang traditional nga musical instrument kung diin nabuo ang idana nga kanta. So gipakita na ko karon sa Cebu nga before siya nadunggan ninyo into the mainstream, ako lang gipakita pud nga naagid siya sinugdanan sa idana nga moto akong instrument nga gidala kuglong.
Another crowd favorite who kept audience members laughing their hearts out was Ruel Divina, sporting her red hairdo inspired by Beanie Mika.
Ginoo ko, nahurot akong energy, oy. Pagkatunga-tunga gani, murag kita na kuan hayag. O, murag nainikuan sa kuang ali na, sabay na. Pero anak ko nga dili sa humanon sa kuni. Proud ko kay daghan kog mapalipay nga tao. Kana palang mga kaigsuuna na itong OFW nga muchat sa kuang tungod sa kuang mawala ilang ka homesickness. Kana palang daan na daog na kuan na.
Kinsay diliwan na katanaw sa Binipers Dria sa Cebu last time? O karon nakita ko ninyo maumaura no. Ang nabita ko sa inyo binimika gagi. Alain ka muna be.
Meanwhile, Jayet Gaming expressed his excitement being in this year's lineup of performers, and he also shared with MyTV Cebu his personality off-cam behind his quirky persona.
Bago siya sa ako kay mostly sa cellphone ako magkiat-kiat, karon kay live na jud sa mall pa jud. So medyo cool ba siya nga exciting na feeling. Chill ra ko mga tao, happy going and family, love na ko akong family. Pero kana si Jayet na character guys, ako yun na inana jud ko.
Shoti, on the other hand, performed his popular song LDR and also surprised fans with the announcement of his newly released song Night and Day.
Kani nga new song guys kay sinatch ko yung kastorya sa una. And then nagastorya mi. And then in love kay ko ako siyang gihimuan og kanta. Pero midway
Kay
wala na mi.
Same ba ni siya na girls?
Dili, lahi na ni siya. I'm so happy, Jude. Seriously, I wouldn't be here without you guys. Tinood lang, everything I have is because of you guys.
The team behind Proud Bisdak Fest 2024 thanked all performers and fans for coming together once again to celebrate Vismin's thriving Bisdak community.
This year, ang goal was really to showcase more of Visayas and Mindanao. So as you can see, mas daghan pud ta, mas ubay-ubay tag mga performers pud o guests who are really from Mindanao. Like we have Dato Alimuan from Bukidnon, we have O Caraga from the Caraga. So it's really a convergence of kanang Vismin Visayas Mindanao na mga bisdak nga talent, personalities, musicians, because we want to showcase the culture, the music.
This has been Eliza May Piñaranda for MyTV Cebu.